Hello everyone. Hello, how are you today? I'm very glad to see you guys again. This is China Ashine Night Broadcasting. Thank you for everyone watching. Today, I'm going to show you guys our oven workshop. Today is Sunny and my colleague Shaman.
Hello everyone, this is Shaman. It's so happy to see you all again. Today me and Sunny we take you around to our oven factory. Like we will bring you to our factory and see how's the production right now after Chinese New Year.
Yes, as you guys see that here is our assembling workshop. From the camera, you can see that it is full production in our workshop. Each area is filled with different size of the oven. So China Ashine, it is a very famous brand in China. We have more than 20 years history for produce oven, different size of the oven like gas type and electric type. Different size like the cameras, you can see one deck, one trays, two deck, four trays, and too many different size, such as at that area have the 3 deck 12 trays. We have different size and different standard for you to choose. We have very strong ability in OEM. So different kinds of the customer can have your own request on your machine. Such as we can do a little different design on the machine. You can get it a little round shape or some angle or like square, and you can put your logo sticker on the PVC. And also you can choose some different colors on the PVC design, and you can also choose the mechanical one or the digital control. Every different request we can suitable for you. So today, very thank you for watching our live broadcasting. This is China Ashine. Hello, this is our worker. Yes, you can see in his face he is very happy. Yes, because we are a big team, and each of our worker have many years experience in doing the oven job. And from the camera, you can see different angle, different area of our workshop. Here is the installation custom area, and later we will show you more details. Yes. Hello. If you want to get some more details from us, actually you can see our website www.chinaashine.com, and also you can email us inform@chinaashine.com. Also you can write down your message in the comment area. Our sales team will reply to you as soon as possible. Hello everyone. Yes, I'm Sunny and this is my colleague Shaman. Yes, today we are teaching you to go around our oven workshop. Yes, we have not only we have the planetary mixer and the spiral mixer and some food processing equipment. We are also have many years experience in doing the oven and the puffer. In this area, it is some spare parts assembling and also the welding area. Our worker, it is do a hard job, and because we have full production in our factory, we need to work more hard and hand out all the machine on time to each of our customer. Okay, say hello to our worker. Hello. 阿姨你好. Yes, you can see each one of our worker it is very happy to do the working job in our workshop. Hello everyone. You can see each area it is filled with the spare parts. They are waiting for assembling. Okay, let's start with our workshop, the beginning of the workshop. Because all the raw material when we purchase from our supplier, we will do the beginning from this. Hello everyone. Welcome to see our live broadcasting. Here is China Ashine Lipo Casting. So thank you for your time. And if you are interested in our products, you can email us inform@chinaashine.com. And also you can leave down your message in this common area. Our sales team will reply you as soon as possible. So from the camera in this corner, here is the wire material which we purchase from our supplier. Different type of the steel plates. This is the original plate, and the thickness of this plate is 0.8 mm. 0.8. It is made for our oven body. It is made for our oven body. So after the wire material purchased from our supplier, we will keep all the plates here, and then our engineer will doing the drawing with the computer. They will setting down each program, each drawing on the computer, and then next step, the cutting will be made by this superstar, Chomp laser cutting machine. Chomp laser cutting machine. Be sure that if you are the be sure that our customer which will be very well known about this brand. It is famous brand from Germany. It is also a very famous brand in the world. It is very high efficiency to make the laser cutting on the steel plates. Yes, laser cutting, it is very high efficiency and can doing the cutting job very exactly. Why we use this one, it is what we want to improve our production quality and also improve our daily production. Do you know, Shaman?
Yes.
Do you know how many pieces of how many deck of the oven we can produce each month?
It's about 500.
Yes, actually, before 2020, our monthly production it is only around 300 pieces per month. But now you can see if you are the customer who can keep following up our lipo casting, maybe you will know it is quite bit different. Between the last year, we have some more new machine to coming in our production line, and also we have much more worker, much more employee after our Chinese New Year. So now our monthly production it is around 700 deck per month. 700 per month.
Wow, 700. I think not much oven factory can process 700 deck in a day.
Yes, you are right. Because we have the very professional production line inside our workshop, and also we have a very long time experienced worker in our team. Later, I will introduce some worker, some engineer to you all. So you can see some finishing from this laser cutting machine. Each plate is doing the drawing by the computer, and after cutting by the laser cutting machine, you can see here I think it is around 30 or 20 pieces of these electric plates, and you can see from the camera, each one it is totally the same, such as the angle and this hole, the size is totally the same. Yes, look this for example, you can see from the camera. It is exactly the same. Each corner, very exactly cutting, very perfect. Yes. After doing this job from our laser cutting machine, it is very convenient for us to doing the last step job, such as the bending or some welding. Each corner is the same, so our machine will be going out each machine will be very exactly the same. Lot one is like this type, and the other one is quite bit different from last one. So please remember this superstar Chomp laser cutting machine. It is very high efficiency. It is a superstar in our China Ashine workshop. And next one, it is also a cutting machine. This is our very famous brand in China, Yahweh brand. It seems doing a very simple job, like just cut one sheet page into different size. But from the camera you can see that it seems a very easy job, but the cutting it is very exactly. It is also one of important parts inside our workshop. It is very high efficient and very exact. Produce the machine with this type of the professional production line, it will make our production much more high efficient and much more the quantity will be controlled much more well, because such as different people to doing the job will be a little will be a little difference, but machine coming out from the machine it will be totally the same. And this one from the camera, it is another superstar, also from the Germany brand Trump. It is the punching machine. And now he is also doing some cutting on the steel plates. You can see that this machine can be controlled by a woman, because after the setting down the program on the computer, everyone can be control it. Very easy, just putting a start button, choosing the right drawing, and just put the start button, the machine will doing the work by itself. People just only can work, they need work around 8 to 10 hours, maximum 10 hours per day, I think. But you can feel that machine actually can work for 24 hours, non-stop working. It is why that nowadays the machine will be instead for the people work. It is much more smart and much more work hard. You can see that here is 2 engineers doing the drawing with the computer. And we just need a worker like this one, just a woman, to control it. It is very simple and very smart. Very high efficiency, right? Hello everyone. This is Sunny and Sherman showing you guys our oven factory. From the camera you can see some finishing from this punching machine. Here is the oven door, the plate for the oven door. You can see that the middle size of the hole is for the glasses. And here is different small holes, it is for installing the screw. And each plate cutting here is totally the same. So when the worker to doing the job for the install the screw or doing some welding job, it is very easy and very exactly. Even though maybe in the near future we will doing this screw job by the machine, it is very exactly to making this different type of the screw on it, because it is totally the same distance and the machine will be work very exactly by this small hole. It is the new machine from the December of 2020. This is also a cutting machine from our Yahweh brand, a very famous brand in China. He is a very large machine and doing the same cutting job as the Trump laser cutting machine and the punching machine. So we need to extend and purchase some more famous and very high efficiency production line to join our workshop, because we need to increase our monthly production and also need to improve our quality of the machine. And we need to make sure each of our machine will be each of our machine will have good quality control and very good finishing, good appearance. As you can see that our working environment, it is very clean and with very good production line. I think each of our customer, when they purchase with us, they will be very satisfied with our machine. And you can also see from the camera that here is some holes. Here is some holes on our oven body. This is the hole to nicking out some heating inside the body. It is very important design. And each hole, you can see that it is totally the same. Yes, even though our finger to go through the plates, each area, it is not sharpened and will not hurt my finger. Because each day, I think the shelf will be do some cleaning after the baking job. So it is very, very important that our finishing should be very, very good and very to be protect our chef and the user very well. Hello everyone. Hello. So after the cutting job, what will be the next step? Yes, it is the bending job. After the cutting, here you can see, here is the steel plates after to come out with our cutting machine, punching machine, and the laser cutting machine. After this, we will doing the bending job. Here you can see, here is three the same machine for the bending, and the brand is Yahweh. And here we have 3 workers to controlling this machine. We're doing a lot of the bending job. You know why? Because we will hide our welding points inside our machine. You can see our oven. There are no any welding points on the oven body, on the appearance. This is very smooth. Doing a lot of this welding, this bending job, the machine will be much more strong for the stand. You can see the material we use, it is much more than another supplier. Because if we do not do much more, the more bending job we do, and we need to use some more steel plates on the machine. So it is why our price, some customers feel that it is a little higher than another supplier. This is one of the reasons. Hello everyone. This is China A Shine, and today is Sunny and Sherman to take you to go around our workshop. Okay, now Sherman will take you to go around our another part of the workshop. This is our welding area and some spare parts installed in area. So next Sherman to take you to keep going and take you to go around here.
Yes, thank you, Sunny's introduction. I think everyone have a clear idea how big our factory it is, how professional we are. So right now we are into the assembling workshop. Here you can see there are so many workers. After we bending and we cutting the machine, this is some spare part we're gonna install. Please see the worker it install the part of the oven. This is the oven body. You can see the worker is welding inside. As Sunny said, we don't have much welding point outside of the oven, and it can make our oven more strong and good quality, long lasting. Because we know some supplier, they just welding have a lot of welding point outside of the oven. It doesn't look good. Also, it won't long lasting. We are welding a lot of we have made a lot of welding point inside of machine to make sure the machine is long-lasting and durable. So move to that, we can see this area is for the welding, and we will have another area is put the spare part. The worker is worked very hard, and you can see everyone is very professional because all the worker has many years experience of processing bakery equipment. So move to that, we can go inside that area to have a look. Each worker take part of different kind of job. So right now this here is the install. After install the body and the worker, we install the electric part inside of the machine. We can see how the worker is processing the spare part.
Okay, Sherman, do you know who is this handsome boy? Oh, he's going. Maybe we invite him to join our live broadcasting. Let's invite him here. Because we need to introduce to everyone, here is our have more than 30 years history experience, more than 30 years experience in making the oven. He is the very important guys in our factory. And he will do all the QC job by each step of the oven. So now say hello. Say hello to our engineer. Hello.
Hello. Hello.
And here is the man we calling her Xiang Ge. It is a big brother in our factory. So 長哥，你做咗呢一行幾多年啊
20，
先20年。
20年。
嚇
？20年啊。
Okay.
是的。
Okay. He said that Xiang Ge said that he have more than 20 years experience to doing the oven from when he is very young. 你覺得我哋亞細控爐嘅質量點啊？
呢個就去到全國各地都冇問題嘅。
Because we asked him that how did he think about our quality of our oven. He said that even though our machine to selling to all in China or all over the world, he think he have very good confidence on it. You know, no too much headache and no worry about our machine. He have very confident to tell you guys that our machine it is very good. Please buy it. Do you have any question for？
長哥，我哋呢排嘅生產點啊？過咗春節之後。
晚晚都要加班。
Wow, the professional engineers say every night they're gonna work out until 12 o'clock because the full of production in the workshop. We have to work longer to make sure the delivery time can, send the goods to the customer on time.
Okay, so very thank you for 祥哥 because he is very busy. 好，唔該晒你長哥，唔該晒你先，繼續忙。Yes, you can see that. I think you can see that each area he will go because he need to make sure our quality control it is very well. Each corner and each different job, he will do the testing and he will do the QC job to confirm each step is perfect. So I think I need to introduce some important parts for our oven. Do you know, guys? We have the electric oven and the gas oven. For the gas oven, the burner it is very important part in our gas oven. It is like a heart for our human's body. This burner it is made by ourselves. You can see that here have many small holes on it, and each small hole is totally the same. The size and the quantity of the hole it is calculated by our engineer from his long experience. And such as this tube, it is for 1-2 trays. And it is around 750 holes on this small tube. Also, here is a longer one. It is for 1-3 trays. 1-3 trays burner, it has around 1,100 small holes on it. So how is the baking efficient? It is one of very important parts in our machine. And also you can come from our camera. He is finishing assembling for the burner. It is assembling, comes with the fans and the ignition and the burner tube. It is the totally installed parts. We will doing this installing in this workshop, doing the spare part assembling. After this, we will do the testing with the gas. And we need to make sure each set of the burner it is working perfectly, and then we will install inside our oven. And also for the gas oven, here is the gas tube. This tube is for the gas intake inside our oven and have the wave. It is also very important part for our gas oven. You can see that each material we are using the stainless steel to confirm the quality. It should be very good. We are not using some iron tube, very easy to make damage in a very short, long service time. We need to make sure our machine can do a long service time and no after sales headache for each of our customer. And you can have confidence to sell to each of your user. Okay, hello everyone. We're just going around our welding and some spare parts install area, and now here is the insulation cotton, installed insulation cotton part. So, Sherman, do you know how's the important for the insulation cotton? Why we need to choose a very good quality of the insulation for our oven?
I think if you choose the nice insulation cotton, it can protect the heat inside of the machine. Like you can keep the temperature inside of machine very even, and even the body you won't get very hurt. It won't feel very hot outside of the machine. Mainly I think it's protect the temperature inside, right?
Yes, you are totally right. Because each of the oven we will testing that each corner inside the different angle of in the camber should be. We need to control it just 3 degree difference in different corner of our camber. We will testing after installing by the temperature sensor. We will put 9 points on the inside the camber, like this 1, 2, 3, and here in the middle area 1, 2, 3, and the outside between the between the oven door 1, 2, 3. We will have 9 points temperature sensor to testing how's the different temperature inside our camber, and we need to make sure that it will be just only 3 degree difference inside our camber. So it is why we should be choose the good quality insulation cotton. You can see that our insulation cotton, it is white color, and you can see that it is very good finishing, like a cloud and very strong. Not like some another supplier, they just use very little thing, just small and very thick inside our body. And here we have a room specially for install the insulated cotton. This room can be keep the humidity and the temperature very well. When we install in the insulation curtain, we will doing the job inside it. And after installing, we will get it outside, and now our worker it is doing the finishing job to cover it inside. You can see between the camber and the body, it is this filled with the insulated cotton. Inside this plate is the insulated cotton. The whole body it is covered by it. So the heating inside the camber will not be leaking out too much. And also, when we touching the body outside the machine, we will not get hurt. It is a very important part inside our factory. Hello everyone, and now we will go into our assembling area. Actually, you can see that it is quite a bit different than the last time you in our last live broadcasting.
Yes.
You can see that we have the second floor. We have the second floor, and here we will make an elevator here. The machine can be taken out from here by the elevator to go to second floor, because our workshop it is not enough for our production. We need to extend, because before you can see that our monthly production it is only 300 pieces, 300 deck per month, but now it is increased to 700. So it is why our space is not enough, and our boss to have a new design and have the second floor by the installing, assembling. The second floor, maybe less time, here is finishing, and we can go up and to go around. Now it's preparing. Okay, you can see that it is full with the machine inside our workshop, and it is for our different customer have their own design. Actually, I will count for you that how many pieces of the oven here is in our workshop. Maybe Sharon, you can count.
Yes.
Come with me. Maybe you.
For one line.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 6 for one line. And here we have 2. Yes, here is 2 deck, 4 trays oven, have 12 pieces in this area. And how many is for the 1 deck, 2 trays? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And have 2 deck. It is 12 here. And also, actually we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 12 is how many? It is around 50 pieces of the 1 deck 2 trays oven here. And here we have some pieces. It is already finished the assembling and waiting for cleaning. Here is waiting for cleaning area. Our worker will be doing the clean job and the packing job on it. You can see that. So I think Sherman, in this one floor, this area, it is around 80 to 100 pieces oven right now here. Yes, it is too big quality inside.
Yes,
our
we
assembling area.
We have about 100 pieces right here waiting for pack, but we have another rear area is for the in stock. It's waiting for the loading. Let's go to have a look.
Actually, we can show.
Yes.
Actually, we can show our packing for our machine first, because as we know that many suppliers will doing very simple packing on the machine. Just have the some wooden sticker, some stick. Yeah, just stick, not the whole plywood box. We are our overs for overseas markets. We will doing the whole plywood box for the oven, and you can see that first we will have this type of the plastic for protect our oven first, because our oven it is the whole stainless steel body. We need to protect it well and no any crash or no any dirty on it, because it's very easy to see when the steel plate is have some damage on it. So we will have this time of the plastic. And for the angle, it is very easy for the damage also. So we will have this foam, like a foam, much more strong material to protect each angle. Like the top and this side, we will have all protect for the whole body. And then we will have this whole plywood box. The whole plywood box will be very well protected for the machine because we will have very long distance to transportation from China to different country of our customer. So we must make sure our machine will be protected very well. Actually, on side this plywood box, we can have different sticker, the shipping mark for our customer. You can have your own request on your shipping mark. We will do it on the package. And now we will showing you that here is one part of our warehouse. After the machine, it is finishing the cleaning and some packing, we will keep in one of our warehouse. Here is just one part of our warehouse. You can see that here is, I don't know how many pieces. It is very
Too much.
yes,
That is too much.
yes, it's too much. Very hard to calculate. It is all the machine. It is waiting for loading. It is very busy time for loading, Sherman. Do you know? Yes. Actually, in each week we have more than 4 container loading in our factory and for different country of the customer.
As you know, after Chinese New Year, the production is very full. You know, the shipment is also very full. Every day we have a container to load, and later we will have 2 container loader ovens here. So this is our part of our warehouse. We are going to take you show around our workshop again. Hello everyone, welcome back to China A Shite live show. Today, me and Sunny take you around our oven workshop. As you can see on the left side is the production line. We've calculated there was about 100 pieces of oven it's processing, and we also have many pieces it's waiting for loading the container. The production is very full right now. If you
Sherman, actually, some people were asking that because in this, from the camera, after we calculating, it is around 100 pieces oven in this area. Maybe some customer have the question, you just only can put 100 pieces on this area, but how you can do 700 per month? You know how we do it?
I think right now the place is not enough and our boss is building another floor, but how can we install 700 units in the factory?
I think
really want to know.
Yes, because actually when each step from outside area, when the machine come inside this area, it is just doing the assembling job. Actually, the assembling job, it need to take not too much time. From one machine assembling, like here, this one, we have many workers to doing the assembling job. It needs only when the machine coming inside this area, it need to take around 3 to 4 days. Will be finishing all the assembling job, and they take 1 day for only the testing and cleaning. So after each part from the machine come out this assembling area and start the assembling, it will be finished just in 5 days. So 5 days can be finished 100 pieces of the oven, and one month have 30 days, right? And that separate into 5 days for one time. It will be such that 100 dash 5, it is around 500 deck can be finishing in this area. And then we have the second floor, so it is 700 how it's coming. So you don't need to think too much time it will take. Actually, the whole factory, it is running, keep running. Each part can be doing his job on duty. The worker should be on duty and do the hard job. Because we have the job for each one, you should be finished how many deck and how many deck of the oven per day. So the worker, it is very hard. Yes, very hard. And they think it is very happy because they have the job to do and that they're doing a very good job. And also our customers saying that our machine, it is very good, quite good. Yes, good quality. And everyone buying our machine very happy. And then our worker will be doing the hard job and very happy to working inside our factory.
Thank you, Sunny. Sounds our factory is a very humiliating factory, and we can see the production. It's very full. You just told me how we install 700 units in a month. I didn't realize we can even process 700 units in a month, because right now we can run in the factory very well. Like each section is connect very well, like assembling and packing, install, loading. Each part is connect very tight, so we can run in the factory very well, and all the machine can finish in about 5 days.
Yes, you are right, Sherman. So you can camera. Maybe we will go around again for this area. We say that the machine, it is all produced by ourselves. You can see that from the camera, from the oil material to each part of the spare part. Actually, we're doing by ourselves. You can see that here is the control pedal, the place for the control pedal. This is the front space. Here is the digital control pedal oven. You can see that here will be installed the digital control board here. This is the area for the digital control board. And here you can see that here is the back plates for the oven. Here is the back plate. This hole is for the to connecting with the charm for the oven. And also you can see that here is the different angle for the body, and here is our steaming for the machine, which have the steaming function. And this plate, it is for the water. One part of our steam have the steam function, the oven with steam function. Here is the base, and you can feel it. This is the wheel for our oven. This is a very big and strong wheel.
Very clean.
Yes, 4 wheel to have the locker. We also have the locker here. Actually, each machine, what you receive, the wheel, it is very clean. It will not get dirty inside our workshop. Hello everyone. We think that you have some after go around with us, you will be very high impression in your mind for how about our machine is coming out from a very good and professional production line. So now here we're showing you guys our oven. Here is our showroom and have our different design of the oven. Actually, when you see the oven, I think that it is some not quite bit different between another type, another brand of the oven. But it is a very special design on the machine. Here is our own brand, Ashine, and we are doing the lights on the top of our machine. When the lights, it is light. It is very smart. And here is our 3-6 tray electric oven, and come with the digital control pedal. Digital control pedal, it is very smart can be control the temperature and also have the timer and have the memory menu inside the machine. And with the indicate lights, you can, when the machine is baking, you can see very clear inside the camera. And we have different size. This one, it is for 3-6 trays. We also have the 1-2 trays, 2-4 trays, different size of the machine for you to choose. And also you can choose gas type or the electric type. And also, you can change your PVC design on here with your own logo or different colors as you like. And also, we are very professional to do the OEM job. So our oven can be combined with the couplings, can keep some baking tray on it. And also, this one, it is come with the puffer, electric puffer. It is very smart for the combination for different customer to choose. Because now, different size of the different size of the baking shop, they need different type of the oven, because maybe some size is too small, but they need too much. They cannot keep too much oven, too much puffer on it. So we do the combination job, and so your shop can have this only small size, but the machine have different function with the baking, with the puffer, and also do some keeping job for the shelf. Just now we are showing you our workshop. So how do you think about our oven, the finishing here? Also, when we doing the code to our customer, here actually many customers say our price it is a little higher than another one. But because just seeing the design, it is quite not so much more different. Frankly, to say it is not too much different, very design between us and another one. Because from the camera, you can see that here we buying one machine. It is from another brand inside China, and this one is from us. So now we need to do one compare to you all to showing you how different is our machine to another one. So maybe Sherman, let's start. Come out, just look the outside service to appearance to everyone.
Yes, thank you, Sunny's introduction. Today we prepare 2 machines to doing the combine. But as Sunny is very professional on the oven, but as me, I can see the appearance of 2 machines is quite different. Please come close to see the material. This is the electric plate, but I think it's very thick and sounds very thick. You see, it's not strong enough. But let's see our machine. This is our stainless steel body machine. All the oven's body is made by stainless steel, high quality stainless steel, which is you see the raw material outside we process by the German Trump production line. It's very smooth and strong. The body is very quite different. And also we have some details right here. I think this part should not show outside, right?
Yes, because it is a gap. I think there is no one customer can accept it, because
Yes.
maybe I think will be some rubbish or some flour or some dough will come inside this gap into the oven.
Yes, that's why our factory doing a lot of bending job, because we don't want to show this little part outside. All the machine body is very smooth. We don't have that little rest of part outside of the machine.
Yes.
So right now we're checking the control panels right here. This is the control panel oven from the other factory. As you can see, the switch is quite different to press it. Also, the handle is plastic, and we are using the high quality stainless steel. The material inside, please come closer, is the iron plate. We just use one time and the plate is already get rust. See it. For the inside, you can see the heating tube is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 heating tube. And our deck oven for 1 deck 2 tray is 6 pieces heating tube. We are using the aluminum plate inside of the body, and the thickness it's 1 millimeter. And the door is very heavy duty. And the door is about 0.87 millimeter, 8. The finishing is very good. You can see there was nothing rushed to hurt yourself. And the important thing is we are using the aluminum plate. We can protect the temperature inside are very balanced and even. We won't have the question like the other machine. It will get rust after using 1 or 2 times. We also have the light right there, which is you can see how the machine's situations. This is our control panel. Just compare with the other oven. This is our control panel. It's our digital control panel. We have the up fire and the bottom fire. This is the up fire, top fire, and the bottom fire. You can set the timer. Also, we have the memory menus to set up your own manual. Like if you want to bake the bread or the pizza, just set up, and next time just press that, then the oven will remember your manual.
Okay, thank you, Shaman. Yes, it is Shaman's analyze, and I will show you guys some more details. Actually, maybe camera from here. Yes, from here. We can see very exactly for the 2 machine. Because in the front plates, both of us, it is using stainless steel. But for the side plates, the back and the top of this one, here is some area we cannot see from in front of the machine. But when the machine take out to see, and we can feel that here the front one and this top one and the side plates, they are using the electric plates, the very cheaper one, and when it is used for a long time, it will get rushed. And now you can see that from the camera, the whole body of our machine, it is used the stainless steel plate. It is very strong, and the body, we are choosing the 0.8 mm thickness of the stainless steel. So it is very strong on it. And you can see that here is some screw on the machine. Here is some screw on this machine. Because it is not strong enough, when the machine is working, it is very high temperature, up to 300 or 400 degrees centigrade. After doing the baking job, this steel plate will be changing the shape. When the temperature is high, this one will be going up, and the temperature is cooling down, and that this plate will going down. So why this supplier will doing the screw on it? Because this one, the machine, the plate, it is not strong enough. The body inside, it is not strong enough. So the body and the outside will be the shape will be changed quite big difference. But we no need to do this because our body, it is strong enough. No need to do a lot of this job on it. Maybe you can see in that one, camera. On the top of our machine, we have no, okay, maybe I take, sorry. This is our machine. On the top of our oven, we have no this screw because our body is strong enough. Even though the machine it is working in a high temperature, the oven, the body will be not shaped too much. And also here, on the top of the oven, we have this type of the window. It is cutting from our trump punching machine. Do you know what it is this hole for? This is a window. This is the window to nicking out the high temperature inside the machine. Why? Because here you can see that here is the electric parts, electric spare parts installed here. Here is the electric parts. All the electric parts we install in this size or in this side of the machine. The electric parts cannot work in very high temperature. So we're doing some special design to have some window on the top of here. And the high temperature will leaking out, and then in this area, the temperature will not got too high. We will confirm that for the electric part working, the temperature won't going up to 50 degrees centigrade. It is around only 30 to 40 degrees here when the machine working. So the electric parts can do a very long service time for our customer. We won't change a lot of the electric parts and no too much after sales headache for our customer. So it is one of the difference for the outside appearance I need to tell you guys. And another one, we can see that from here again. You can see that this sideboard, we have some window. It is also nicking out the high temperature inside the camber because we need to, when the people working, maybe he will touch in this area, the high temperature here we can feel it will got hurt the finger, got hurt the shaft finger. But you can see that here is just some hole and 3 lines on it, 3 lines window. But we do a lot of window here. I think it is double times than this one. We need to make sure and leaking out the high temperature from the camber, and that to make this body, it is not high and good, very warm, just a little warm inside for here. And when the shelf touching, they will not get hurt. And also on the back side, and here is just flat, no too much design, and we also have the window also here because I'll tell you guys that here we install all the electric parts here. So in the back cover, we also have the window here, and also window here. This window, the size of the thickness, it is calculating by our engineer, and how many it should be. It is also calculating for our very long time experienced engineer to doing this special design. And also all the cutting is from our chomp laser cutting machine, chomp punching machine. So the finishing, it is very good. When I touching, it is very safe and won't not get hurt. And the size is totally the same. It is look very comfortable. So different points of the between us. It is why the price it is different. This is our value for our own machine, and also feel that each angle we're doing a lot of the bending job inside. So also the material we're using, it is quite big, quite a lot, and quite bit different than this one. You can see that here is just some welding and just just some bending and not too much more. You can see this gap.
Is
Yes, very
big.
big. And here we do a lot of the bending job and do the welding inside. The angle, it seems much more strong. The whole body, it is strong because the material we use, it is lot than the another one. Our machine, our material, it is used very in love, so that the machine, the body will be strong and the good appearance. And also here is our handle, very strong handle. We just showing you it. We're using the stainless steel handle, and another one is the plastic. Yes, and also even though this is the mechanical one, we also have, and our mechanical what we're choosing, it is also very good, famous brand in China and a good quality. You can see that. This is what our brand we're using in our machine. Thank you everyone. And also we can feel again the machine inside the camber. You can feel it. Actually, we have not too much word to telling you the difference, but I think that you are the buyer, and I think you can see that how's the difference between your eyes. Yes, it is just the appearance difference between another supplier and us. But if you will be very curious about how's the baking efficient between us, maybe less label casting, we will doing the baking between these two machines, and you will know that how's different about it. So, thank you everyone, and to see our label casting. And here is our showroom for our economy type of the oven. And now we have another another showroom and another small workshop in another part of our factory. Now let's move to another one. Actually, we have another part of our workshop, and now we will moving to that, because this one is like, it seems like a little Guangdong style oven, and the design, it is just like the Guangdong design, and we have another European style oven, and it is produced in another part of our workshop. So now we will be moved to that one. So let's to do a simple introduction about ourselves to everyone. Sherman.
Yes. Thank you for your watching, guys. We are China Assigned Bakery Equipment Manufacturer. Everyone know we have the bakery machinery factory in Nantong. Our factory size costs around 100,000 square meter, and the daily production is about 500 units. And our oven workshops right here in Guangzhou. Every month we process 700 deck every month. It's quite a large quantity compared to the other oven factories. So many customers asking us, you only have the deck oven like that? Do you have other like luxury type or the European type? Yes, we have. Later we will show you around our luxury deck oven. We are the deck oven factory, not just processing the electric deck. We also have the gas deck oven, the proofer, and the other bakery ovens. If you are interested in our product, please go to check out our website. And also you can check out our Alibaba online show. So right now we are entered to the loading area. Later we will show you around the luxury workshop of the deck oven. This is the loading area. As you can see, right now it's waiting for the loading. Today we will have 2 containers to load. After Chinese New Year, the production is very full, and every day we have a lot of containers to load. All the customer is asking about the delivery time. Our delivery time compared to other factory is faster because you can see we have a very full system. We have the loading area, we have the assembling area, and different system is connect very tidy. So right now we are entrance to the luxury deck oven. This is our luxury oven workshop. As you can see, it's full of order. Right now you can see the prover. This is the European deck oven. The production is very full. This is the convection oven. For the convection oven, we have the 5 trays and the 10 trays. All of them are electric type. This is the body of the convection oven. As you can see, the finish is also very good. The body is very good. Also, we are using the high quality stainless steel. Okay, move to that. We also have some other European deck oven. It's waiting for assembling. Here is some worker. They are installing or welding of the parts inside of the deck oven.
Yes, thank you for everyone. Here is another workshop by our European style oven, and also our convection ovens workshop for assembling. All the cutting, all the raw material cutting and the welding is doing the same area we just look. And here, this is the area especially for the assembling for this time of the machine. And the camera, you can see that the finishing of the machine, it is also very good appearance. All the cutting, you can see all the angle, it is very exactly. And the stainless steel plate, this one is around 1.2 thickness. This is the convection oven for 10 trays. We can see that here will be 2 heating element, round type of the heating element inside. And in this middle will be installed a big and high power fan inside it. And also here is the temperature sensors, what we'll be installing. This is our convection oven. And this is the body for the 5 trays convection oven. And now we have 2 sides of the convection oven. One is 10 trays and the other one is the 5 trays. We have many machines now is waiting for the assembling. Actually, for this type of the machine, we are selling both inside China and overseas market. And from the camera, you can see that here is the convection oven. We will combine with the shelf. You can keep some baking trays on it. Also, the 5 trays convection oven will be also have the same design come together. Yes, here I have some sample. Yes, because it is a high value machine and it is not such as a big order quantity than the economic one. And this one we just selling a lot of to the five-star hotel and some famous baking shop. They will very nice to choose this one. So the quantity, it is not so big, but it is very good and a good value and good quality. And now we can take you to go around another showroom, and all of them, it is the European style oven. Hello everyone. Okay, you can see that here is the 5-trays convection oven with the digital control. We can choose the digital or the mechanical control for the convection oven. And this is the finishing. We just see that here is the round type of the heating element and with the big fans, big high power fans on it. Our convection oven is working with the big fans to getting the hot area inside the machine very even. You can see that here it is the small gap. The distance for this small gap, it is also very high experience for the engineer to calculate how the distance about it, because it is very important to for each corner of them inside the chamber have the same temperature going through on it. And this is the glasses door, double glasses door, and when the machine is working, these glasses, through these glasses and the indicate lights, we can see the baking. How's the baking inside very clear. All the cutting job is coming out with our chomp laser cutting machine, punching machine, and doing the same job from our professional production line. From the camera, you can see another one. This is a combination oven. It is very you can choose your own combination by your own request. Such as this one, it is combination with the 5-trays convection oven, and the shelf will be keeping here, and here have the 2-4-trays electric oven. The combination, it is doing different requests from different customer. You can see that in your one kitchen, you just have one machine can have 2 functions to finish your job. And this one is the electric oven for the stainless steel body. Actually, this one, it is a European style, and the body of the material, it is stainless steel, and the thickness, it is 1.5 mm. It is much more strong than another one. And it is come with the big glasses door, very European style. When we open the door, you can see that it is very